Tony and Carenza's first ever home together has the mother of damp problems. The rear wall is underground, so water is getting in the whole time. The solution I've suggested is used for underground structures that always have to battle damp.
We've used a system in the London Underground. We've done about 30 stations. There's 70,000 metres of the membrane in the Channel Tunnel. Without a doubt, it's the best system.
If it works in the Channel Tunnel, it'll work here. This is a hugely reliable damp-proofing system. Traditionally, damp is kept at bay with a layer of waterproof material. But the slightest puncture and the system fails. This method creates a gap for the water to run down into a drain, separating the damp outside wall from the inside of the house.
This system, it is a permanent solution to the problems that we're now finding in this structure.
Or it will be when it's installed. The trouble is, in the mistaken belief he's doing the right thing, Tony has hacked off the old render, which would have worked as the smooth finish that the lining needs to be attached to.
By taking the render off, they've weakened the walls, so we can't get any fixings with the plugs where the render's missing.
We've done a lot of work. We've paid an awful lot of money to get the bags of rubble taken away. So at the moment I'm just really frustrated, really annoyed about it. If we understood a bit more about what we were doing, if it was our profession, then we'd probably do things better, easier, certainly in a better timescale.
That's the only downside of doing so much yourself. Tony's been struggling with the property for 3 months now, and much of the work still lies ahead.
He's taken so much on. He's doing a full-time